guys, it's Running Kimono, and I was not even intending on making a video today, but oh my gosh, I hit the mother load of clearance stuff at Walgreens, and I just went for lunch this afternoon with my husband, and I'm like, hey, do you mind if we stop at this Walgreens? Went in, I wasn't even gonna stop, and 90% off cereal and more cold medication, so I'll share that with you. And then on his store card, I just repeated the P&G deal, and the register reward did not print. I have a little theory. I think that this new scent is not kicking back the register reward, and that's what's causing the trouble here, or something's not working with it. But I'll just walk through that. Thankfully, the manager just put the $6 on my store card. It's supposed to be buy 4 of these products, get back a $6 register reward. But I had some issues, and I just did a quick return at Bath & Body Works. I had so many of this one scent called Winter. I think I had 17 of those 3-wick candles, and I'm like, I need to just change some of them up. So I went and got just a different group of candles, and you can do that over at Bath & Body Works, so I did that. So very happy about that. Weather report for you guys, kind of a hot and muggy one today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so let's talk about this cereal. Now, a couple weeks back, I think it was on a Saturday, this was all over Instagram and people were clearing their stores. If you can find this for 49 cents, I mean, wouldn't you buy absolutely everything? And my store was cleared, and the other store that I frequent was also completely cleared. But this one store on a military base, you know where the photo department is, where they have the little photo, like you go pick up your pictures? They had a little display like near the headphones and all that stuff. And all of this was on a top shelf of that. So I think all of this was like a summer cereal. Even though the expiration date is for next May, next March, I think this was part of like some summer line or something, or just like, you know, let's give this a try and see what happens. Anyhow, these cereals are 49 cents each. So I got 6 of them all together. So that's a total of $2.49. There was one digital coupon, which was $1 off too, that applied to the Little Debbie. Plus on coupons.com, there's $1 back when you buy 2 Kellogg's. So the final price for me, guys, is 94 cents for 6 boxes of cereal, or 15 cents each. I will show you guys the UPCs if you want to look for both of these in your store. It's a very specific box, and I looked at a bunch of stores and I could not find them, and then finally I was like, oh my gosh, I found the mother load, and I grabbed all of them. What a great donation item to have. So really happy about that. At the same store, I walked through the cold and flu aisle, and I found this Mucinex 90% off for $1.79. The original price for this is $18.10 each. No manufacturer coupons, but I used some Walgreens cash to pay this down. This one is cherry and elderberry. It just seems like a really good one, and it doesn't expire until May of next year, so great thing to have. And then more hauls, and this one is a citrus blend. This one is honey. Common thing is sugar-free. Both of them are 30 cents each, and I'll show you the UPC for those. Also checking out, guys, I got this $5 off of any cosmetic, which is really nice. And then we have a $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. The one that I got for next week is very chintzy. It's like $3 back when you spend 25. Stacking it with this one, we have a little bit of something. And then a 20% off of 10. So the machine was printing today. And then the final little deal that I did, and I just wanted to do this to stock up on these P&G products. It's the promotion of buy 4 of these products, get back a $6 register reward, and they're $4.99 each. So I got 2 bags of the pods, 1 Charmin, and then 1 Febreze. So the total is $19.96. I had a $2 for the Tide, a $1 for the Charmin, a $2 for the Tide Liquid, and a Peely for this guy. So that's $7 of coupons that came off. I also threw in $10 of Walgreens cash, so I paid very little out of pocket. Now I should have got back a $6 register reward, and I have the sneakiest suspicion that this guy, it's messing things up where it doesn't print because it's a new scent maybe, I don't know. The manager just threw $6 of Walgreens cash on my store card. The final price point for this is $6.96 for the 4, or $1.70 for each, which is a really great price point. Look high and low, even if things are not tagged at your store. Bring it to the cashier and ask he or she to scan. You might be pleasantly surprised what's ringing up 90%. And this was a really great one today. And 1 box, 1 free book. I might apply for that. I like to make a beautiful stocking for my nieces for Christmas, and I'm always looking for kids books. So I'm definitely gonna do that, maybe to get a couple books for free. So like, how amazing is that? And the last store that we have is Bath & Body Works. In case you're kind of new to this store, I made a video, you know, like top 10 hacks, all that stuff, how to just shop there like a boss for next to nothing. And they have one of the most flexible return policies. So I always partake in this if I overbuy on 1 cent. The candles that I brought back were brand new. I just had 17 of 1 cent, and I'm like, that's just way too many. So I went and got a couple other new scents that include this gingham. That's their signature scent. And if you want to see the different spice notes, they're right here. I have a sister-in-law who's obsessed with this scent, so I got this for her. It's blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine with essential oils. The fresh clementine is very, very pronounced in this one, and what a cute little candle. This one is a fall one. It's called Spice Cardamom, and spiced cinnamon, cardamom, dark cedarwood, a pinch of nutmeg. This has a very pronounced smell, and yeah, just happy to get one of those to try it out. It smells like fall, and it doesn't smell like pumpkin spice, so at least I want this one for my collection. And here's one, I believe this was the Pride one for this year. I always like to pick up the Pride candle, and I really love the smell of this one. It's rainbow sprinkles, vanilla cake, buttercream frosting, fruity cereal crunch with essential oils. It smells like cereal, so it's just like any cereal candle that they've had in the past, just a really pleasant scent. So loving that. So if you didn't know, if you have a candle that you've even burnt and you really don't like the scent, or if it just lost its throw or whatever, you can always do a swap, and they allow that at Bath & Body Works. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.